Hi Clint, this is Christine Binger. I reviewed your Module 5 video, and overall I thought your presentation was great. You analyzed both assessments and evaluation in regards to the classroom and how it functions very clearly. But in your cultural response assessment practices slide, you wanted to highlight, you stated scaffolding, which I thought was great because that is something that we need to remember to do. And I think for a lot of us, it becomes innate, but sometimes it's good to pause and reconsider those things and the needs of our students. But I also think it's important that we look at the needs of our students that we're dealing with, which is something that you highlighted specifically, because what students in an urban area need is not the same as students in a rural area, or it's not always the same. So I think it's great that you highlighted this, that it's the focus on your students, not all students collectively across the globe, because it's different for everybody. So I think this is an important thing to look at when looking at assessments, evaluations, but even just how you're teaching curriculum. What's going to work for one will not work for all, and that's something we need to remember, especially in selecting assessments and evaluations that we're using and what they look like. Especially when you're looking at ELL, New Americans, different things like different factors like that. It's important to remember this as we're moving forward. So overall, you did a great job pointing that out, and I think that's something that should definitely be considered by everybody. So good job.